Class 2 New Oxford Modern English. Exercise. Comprehension. Answer the following questions. Number A. Why was the road unhappy? रोड अनहैप्पी क्यों था? People walk and ride all over the road and throw rubbish on it, so that's why the road was unhappy. The second possible answer is the road was unhappy because people walk and ride on it, and the worst thing is people throw rubbish on it. Number B. How did people hurt the tree? Hurt the tree लोग दरख्त को कैसे नुकसान पहुंचाते? People took the fruit and cut the branches of the tree. In this way, they hurt it. Number C. Who let the tiger out of the trap? टाइगर को जाल से फंदे से किसने बाहर निकाला? In simple, we will write here the boy let the tiger out of the trap. The boy let the tiger out of the trap. Who put the tiger back in the trap? टाइगर को फंदे में जाल में वापस किसने डाला या किसने भेजा? Same. The answer will be same here. The jackal put the tiger back in the trap. The jackal put the tiger back in the trap. Do you think that the bullock was very strong? क्या आपको लगता है कि बुलेक ऑक्स या फिर सांड बहुत ज़्यादा मजबूत था? In picture we can see here that he is enormous in size. So we can say yes, the bullock was very strong. Second possible answer is the bullock was very strong because all the day he plows in the field. वो strong था बहुत ज़्यादा क्योंकि वो सारा दिन खेतों में हल चलाता. Plows mean हल चलाना. The third possible answer is all the day the bullock works hard in fields, so he was very strong. Read the passage again, then say if these sentences are true or false. The bullock was pulling a cart. No, the bullock was working hard in fields in this chapter. So this one is cross. The trap was very strong. Yes, trap was very strong. So that's why the tiger that is so mighty and a strong animal, he couldn't escape him from the trap. So the trap was very strong. It's true. The tree helped the boy. No, tree did not help the boy. Number D. The boy was not very honest. Wrong. The boy was honest. So this one is wrong. The jackal was very clever. Of course, jackal was very clever. Working with words. Use these words in sentences of your own. So friend, immediately, rubbish, awful, lucky. First one is friend. An honest friend will never leave you in trouble. आपका एक ईमानदार दोस्त आपको कभी भी ट्रबल में मुसीबत में नहीं छोड़ेगा. The second sentence of friend is Asad and Hassan are best friends. असद और हसन बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं. Immediately, फौरन, at once. Police took action after incident immediately. पुलिस ने इस हादसे का फौरन एक्शन लिया. Rubbish. We should always throw rubbish into dustbin. हमें कूड़ा करकट हमेशा डस्टबिन में कूड़ेदान में डालना चाहिए. Awful. Last night the storm was awful. Awful बहुत ज़्यादा खौफज़दा कर देने वाला, दहशतनाक. Last night the storm was awful. पिछली रात में तूफान बहुत ज़्यादा खौफनाक था या फिर डरा देने वाला था. मतलब बहुत सख्त किस्म का तूफान था. Lucky, खुशकिस्मत. Who was the lucky man that won the race? वो खुशकिस्मत आदमी कौन है जिसने ये रेस जीती? Today is my lucky day. Fill in the blanks. So here are some words. The jackal dashed to help him. The jackal decided to help him. They will not dash to save me. They will not agree to save me. This is an dash trap. This is an awful trap. I can't get through the bar. Put the following in alphabetical order. So this one starts B, D, K, S, P. We first of all we have to see the first letter. This one is B and this D. So this one is first, the dog. This is second, and after B and D there will be K. 3. S comes after P. So the fourth one is part, and this one is bag, dog, knife, part, short. These two words, the first two letters of this word are same, dr, dr. Now we will see the third letter, dri, dro. So I comes before O. This one is first, drink, drop, and no, shirt, tall. We will rewrite it here in alphabetical order. So here the first one is bring. Next one is dog. And the third one is play. The fourth one is first two letters are the same, th, th. We will see the third letter, a and I. So this one is fourth, that and this. We will write here bring, dog, play, that, this. Match the following. Number A, number B. A thing made of woods with four wheels. A shirt, a book, a cart, a knife, a mirror. So it's a cart. A thing made of metal and wood. It's a knife. Because knife is made of metal and its handle is made of wood. A thing made of cotton. It's shirt. A thing made of glass. It's a mirror. Mirror is made of glass. A thing made of paper, it's a book. Book is made of paper. Learning about language. Negatives. Negatives mean manfi jumle. Add not to the following sentences. You will have to change or add some other words too. So the first sentence is the boy was sad. The boy was not sad. We only add here not. The boy told the story. Here, the boy told the story. So it's used here past form. We must be careful changing this sentence. The boy did not tell the story. So told, it will change into first form when we add here did not. The boy did not tell the story. People eat my leaves. People eat my leaves. So here it's present indefinite tense. People do not eat my leaves. The tree laughed. It is again here the past form. We will add did not here and change this laughed into laugh, first form. The tree did not laugh. The tiger caught hold of the boy. Again here is used past form. So we will add did not and change this caught into first form. The tiger did not catch hold of the boy. Here the chapter ends.